Hi Chris, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. Listen, I'm here because I'm having a birthday party next Saturday. Would you like to come?
It sounds fun. What time is it?
The party start at 7 p.m. and will probably go until midnight.
Okay, and when is it going to be?
It's at my house. Do you remember the address?
I think so, but could you send it to me just to be sure?
Of course, I will text you. It's to you right after this. And it's a casual party, just wear whatever you are comfortable in.
Great. Should I bring anything?
Just yourself. But if you want to bring a gift to share, that you will be nice.
Sound good. I'm looking forward to it.
Awesome. See you on Saturday then.
See you there. Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome. Bye for now.